Hey guys, I'm Alma from the Sacramento Better Business Bureau, and this is Torch Talk. In today's episode, we are going to be discussing how to safely choose a tax preparer when filing our income tax return. For many people, major life changes, business ownership, or simply a lack of knowledge about the ever-changing tax laws makes finding a trustworthy tax preparer a bit difficult. That said, not all tax preparers have the same level of experience and training. Here are some of our tips for finding someone you can trust with your finances and sensitive personal information. First, it's important to understand the different types of tax preparers and their qualifications. Only enrolled agents, certified public accountants, and attorneys may represent their clients to the IRS on matters such as audits, collection issues, and appeals. So let's take a look at these different types of tax preparers in detail. An enrolled agent, or EA, is a tax preparer that has been approved by the IRS to represent taxpayers. An EA may work independently or as a part of a firm and may specialize in specific areas of tax law. A certified public accountant, or CPA, has a college degree or equivalent work experience in accounting. In order to be a CPA agent, one must pass a state qualifying exam. So before you hire a CPA agent, make sure they have the appropriate qualifications and state license. A tax attorney is an attorney that specializes in tax law and is the only person that can actually provide legal information and also must pass a state qualifying exam to be considered an attorney. Now that you know the different types of tax preparers, here are some tips for picking the right one. Review the tax preparer's credentials. EAs, CPAs, and tax attorneys are all qualified to represent their clients to the IRS on all matters. However, they all must be fully licensed. EAs are licensed through the IRS, CPAs are licensed through the State Accountancy Board, and attorneys must pass their state bar in order to practice any type of law. Be wary of spectacular promises. If a tax preparer promises you larger refunds than the competition, this is a red flag. Just so you know, tax preparers base their fees on the amount of your return and may be likely to use shady tax preparation tactics. Get referrals from friends and family. One of the best ways to find a trustworthy tax preparer is to ask your loved ones for recommendations. Think about availability. If the IRS finds errors in your tax forms or decides to perform an audit, will your tax preparer be available to help you with the details? Find out whether you can contact the tax preparer all year long or only during tax season. Ask about fees ahead of time. Before you agree to any services, read contracts carefully and understand how much the tax preparer charges for their services. Ask about extra fees for e-filing, state and federal and local returns, as well as fees for any unexpected complications. If things don't add up, find someone else. If a tax preparer can't verify their credentials, has a record of bad reviews from previous clients, or their business practices don't seem convincing, don't do business with them. It's really not worth your time. I hope this information was helpful in finding the correct tax preparer for you or for your business. Again, I'm Alma. Thanks for watching. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for the latest Torch Talk.